Hi everybody, Michelle here on the Art Club. Today I'm going to be drawing something a little bit unique. These are egg bunnies and egg chicks. So to draw these, you just start with a circle, and then right up through the middle of the circle you do either an imaginary line or you can do an actual line. Just make sure it's really faint. Make sure you start with pencil as usual. And then we put a line right about this distance from the top, and then that way we can build the egg shape in a much easier way than trying to freehand it. So that's how I do them anyway. And this is the bunny, so we're gonna do little curvy eyes. You can do the eyes however you want, but this is just how I did them. And right at that intersection there, you do a little oval for a nose, a straight line down, and then a tiny smile, and a little tooth, or two little front teeth. Now, right above this eye, you can do a big curve line like that. And from under here, come back down, and that's the ear. And I made one of these ears, again, right above the eye. I made one of them kind of upward like this, and the other one flopped over. You can do whatever you want. And now under the eye, I'm going to draw the foot, which is just basically a curved arch, and then a little bit of a curved line underneath. And now under this eye, do the same thing. Curved line there. And I'm putting like the toe lines like this, curvy lines there. And for the little paws, you want to go towards the bottom and just do two little U shapes right against the edge. And I also added a little curve for a tail there. So this is the bunny that I came up with, the egg bunny. Agony. I don't know. I couldn't think of a cool word. And now I'm going to draw a chick. So for the chick, we do the same thing. We got to start with an egg shape, which is easy to build with a circle. And then a line up through the middle. Draw the top of the egg line, and then a curved line down on both sides to meet the edges of the sides of the circle. Like that, you got a nice egg. And for the chick, oh, Hunter's calling me. For the chick, I'm gonna do two little circle eyes, and then just a simple triangle between the eyes for the beak. And I did a few little feathers on the top of the head. And now sort of right out from the eye, gonna do the wings, which is again just three little leaf shapes, like feathers, I guess. And straight underneath the eye, we're gonna do the feet, but for the chick, we just do three little lines like that. I'm sorry if I'm going a little fast, just pause the video and catch up if you need to. So I thought it would be cute if I did some little baby versions. So I'm gonna do a baby chick over here. We'll line up through the middle, the top of the egg, and then meet the sides of the circle like that. And you got a nice little egg, two little dots for eyes, and a little beak, little feathers for the hair, for the top of the head, I mean. And then little wings, and right under the eye, three little lines for there, and three little lines for that foot. Isn't it cute? Oh. Now over here, I'm gonna do another one, but this is gonna be a baby bunny. So we do the line through the middle, top of the head, and bring the edges down to make a nice egg. Sorry, I'm hiding it a little bit there. Basically the same as the big bunny, just really small scale. And now the curved ear, and I did another curved ear for the other side. Little baby ears, and straight under the eye, do a curvy arch, two curved arches, and curved line for the bottom. Little paws. Easy peasy. Now let's trace it over. So if you're going to do this method that I did, which is to draw it in pencil lightly first and then trace it over with pen, if you're going to do it that way, it works really, really well, but just make sure that the ink dries before you start erasing. So that is it for our egg bunny and our egg chicks. And let me know if you gave this a try. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the Art Club if you want to see more videos like this one. Happy Easter, everyone. And I hope to see you guys right back here on the Art Club next time. Bye.